Hello, children. Welcome to my channel Conquer Knowledge with Ranjan Bhatnagar. Children, here I'll be uploading science videos which will be useful for quick revision primarily for class 8 children. Those who are interested or find this useful may subscribe my channel. Okay. I hope you will find my videos useful in clearing your concepts, in enriching yourselves, and definitely scoring better. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin, right? So, the first topic I am taking up today is combustion, right? The first topic I am taking today is combustion. Definitely, the whole chapter cannot be completed in one video. So, let us call it part 1. Combustion part 1. In DAV book, it is chapter 7. Right? Other boards, I don't know. So, go by topic. Okay? Combustion. So, combustion, or we can call it burning. You must be familiar with burning, right? Where do we use this process of burning, children? Tell me. We use it for cooking. At home, you burn the LPG and you cook the food. We use it for automobiles, isn't it? Do you remember what you burn in automobiles, scooter, car, petrol, diesel? We burn it, we do burning is required for generating electricity. Coal is burnt. Even we need burning for spacecraft, and foremost we need burning for our survival, right? In all these cases, burning is being done. What is the result of this burning? Can you tell me? Why do we burn something? To get energy, isn't it? Basically, heat energy. Which forms of energy we get? Heat energy and light energy, and sometimes even sound energy in cases of explosions, right? So, combustion is burning, children, right? Why we need to burn? To get energy. Why do we need energy? To do work. Here we are doing the work of cooking by burning LPG, right? Here we make our automobile or vehicle move by burning petrol or diesel or gasoline, isn't it? We burn coal to generate electricity. Again, the work is done. We burn liquid hydrogen to send our sending the spacecraft into the space, and for our survival also we need energy. What are we burning here, children? Food, especially glucose. In our body, glucose is burning to give you energy, to do work, to do physical work also, and even for our body parts also to work. So, burning or combustion is such an important process. So, can we run our scooter or car by burning water? Just tell me, can we run our scooter or car by burning water in place of putting diesel or petrol? Let's put water. Will it run? No. So, what does this mean? Some substances only can burn. Only some substances can burn. Okay. So, we call them, what do we call them? Fuel or combustible material, right? So all these are combustible materials: paper, LPG, coal, liquid hydrogen, glucose, wood, okay, and water, what do you say, plastic, rubber. These are non-combustible material. So you understood what is combustion? Combustion is burning. To be more precise, what is burning? So which substances burn, children? Remember which substances burn? What do we call them? Fuel. And what is burning? Burning is combining with oxygen. And why do we burn? To get energy. It may be in heat form, or it may be in light form, or it may be in sound form. So what is the purpose of burning, children? To get energy. So combustion is a process which produces energy by burning in air. And from air, what do we get? Oxygen. We are burning in air. Air contains 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. So we are using only oxygen of that air. So what is combustion? It is the process to release energy by burning a substance in air or in oxygen. Any doubt, children, about combustion? Now what is this fuel made up of? ये किसका बना होता है? Children, it is made up of carbon, or it is made up of carbon and hydrogen, or it is made up of carbon and hydrogen and some other element. I am writing E. It may be nitrogen, it may be sulfur, or a mixture of elements. But carbon is, can you see carbon is present in all? So all the fuels or all the substances which can burn contains essentially which element? Carbon. उसके बिना फ्यूल होता ही नहीं है. अभी मैंने आपको बोला हम लोग क्या हमारे बॉडी में क्या बर्न करता है? फूड. और फूड में भी कौन सा चीज़ बर्न करता है? ग्लूकोज. ग्लूकोज इज ऑल्सो अ कार्बन कंपाउंड. व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज, चिल्ड्रन? C6H12O6. तो आप देखिए इसमें भी कार्बन है. समझ गए? तो फ्यूल में खाली कार्बन भी हो सकता है, कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन भी हो सकता है, और कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन के साथ कोई और एलिमेंट भी हो सकता है. सो नाउ व्हेन दिस फ्यूल इज कंबाइनिंग विद ऑक्सीजन, व्हाट हैपन्स? कार्बन combines with oxygen and what will it form? It may form CO2 or it may form CO, right? If hydrogen is also present, this will combine with oxygen to form water. That is why the products of combustion are usually carbon dioxide and water and energy. And if any other element, if sulfur is present, it will also form sulfur dioxide. If nitrogen is present, it will also form nitrogen dioxide. These are usually present in diesel and petrol, and because of these gases we get acid rain. So you understood what is combustion, children? It is a process in which a fuel burns in air to release energy. All the substances cannot burn. Only some substances can burn to give energy. Those are called fuel or combustible material. Okay. Now see. So you understood about combustible and non-combustible material. Just I also want to take up today complete combustion and incomplete combustion. So I am talking about complete combustion. So when a fuel, I'll take CH, कोई एक फ्यूल है जिसमें कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन है, it is getting enough oxygen, उसको sufficient oxygen मिल रहा है, then what are the products, children? This carbon will combine with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, and this hydrogen will combine with oxygen to form water, and along with it what will be released? Energy. Okay, but if this oxygen is not sufficient, then what will happen? We call it incomplete combustion. ऑक्सीजन काफ़ी नहीं है, फ्यूल है हमारा वही CH, बेटे फॉर्मूला नहीं है, मैं सिर्फ ये बता रही हूँ कि उस फ्यूल में कार्बन है और हाइड्रोजन है. डोंट टेक इट एज अ फॉर्मूला, ओके, क्योंकि अभी आपके इस चैप्टर में फॉर्मूलेज नहीं है. सो एक फ्यूल है जिसमें कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन है एंड ऑक्सीजन है, ऑक्सीजन में बर्न कर रहा है, बट ऑक्सीजन इज़ नॉट इनफ. देन व्हाट विल हैपन चिल्ड्रन? हाइड्रोजन विल फॉर्म वाटर. Okay, now carbon is not getting enough oxygen, then what will happen? It will form carbon monoxide. Energy will be released. In place of carbon dioxide, what will be produced? Carbon monoxide. And if still less oxygen is there, ये बहुत ज़्यादा है, यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा है ऑक्सीजन, यहाँ उससे कम है और यहाँ उससे भी कम है. आप समझ रहे हो, ये निशान ग्रेटर और लेसर का बना है. वी, इसको वी मत लेना बेटा, ठीक है. अब ये वाला ऑक्सीजन इससे भी कम है, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? वाटर तो फॉर्म होगा ही होगा, ये कार्बन को ऑक्सीजन ही नहीं मिल रहा, सो इट विल रिमेन C प्लस एनर्जी. ओके, सो नाउ सी, when there is complete combustion, energy will be more. When there is incomplete combustion, energy will be less. Naturally, है ना. जब ज़्यादा combustion होएगा तो एनर्जी ज़्यादा होगी, जब कम combustion होगा तो एनर्जी कम होगी. और पर इससे प्रॉब्लम क्या है incomplete combustion से? दिस गैस, फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज़ कि वेस्टेज ऑफ फ्यूल, कम एनर्जी मिला. Another problem is carbon monoxide is released. It is a poisonous gas, children. Carbon monoxide is poisonous. Let's write with red. Danger sign होता है ना red. This is poisonous. If you breathe in carbon, if a person breathes in carbon monoxide, it will have breathing problems and it may even cause, it can be fatal, it can cause death. So it is poisonous. Then if carbon is released, it is black in color. That is why the color of the smoke is black. Okay, let us write with black only. It is black in color, black से लिख लेते हैं, right? That is why the color of the smoke is black. And if you inhale carbon particles, again you can suffer from breathing problems, children. Okay, so this is incomplete combustion. So in this video I wanted to take till this only, complete combustion and incomplete combustion. Hope you found it useful. We will meet again. Till then, thank you and take very good care of yourself.